Go and get yourself whatever you want. The dollar menu, McDonald's, I'll spoil you. Spoil you, baby girl.
Hungry to be better. What the f does that mean? So this is what we got for about $80. A large pizza, a medium pizza,
This is Japanese chicken wings.
cheese sticks, custard, a cheese volcano. This I was really looking forward to. That actually looks pretty good.
It looks.
Let's break in.
Ooh.
This video is not for the faint of heart. This had a weird start flavor, but now I like it, and it's lightly fizzy.
This is disgusting, but it tastes like sour cream.
Custard cake.
Japanese chicken.
This is fire. This is good.
I'm gonna devour these.
Right by that. Make sure you get the juice in the middle.
This is perfect sweetness level to it. It's
Cheese sticks. Grab a cheese stick. Look at that. The cheese is soft.
super soft.
It's cooked. I know in Canada when you get cheese sticks, it usually is like hard. Like
It's hard. It's not even cooked properly. Amazing.
So far, the only bad thing was the milkshake.
Milkshake is. I'm not even gonna finish that. This is.
Before we get into your pizza, we gotta have some of the cheese volcano. Alright, try a wedge. Get a wedge in there. Get that cheese dip. Cheese is orange. Oh! That's straight up processed cheese. The wedges aren't very good. They're like soggy.
The cheese carries it.
Yeah, for sure. Nugget's good. I like it. It's not a McDonald's nugget, but it's chicken. Its texture's nice. But once again, no flavor.
Could be worse.
Mm-hmm.
Like this
Mid.
milkshake.
Yeah. Milkshake, F tier. Cheese sticks for me, B tier. Your chicken that you got, that's A tier. That was delicious.
Mm-hmm.
And that custard, S tier.
I'm gonna try this with the cheese.
Oh!
Bomb.
That's good. Now, the main best 3, 2, 1 pizza reveal. Let's go. Whoa!
Look at this.
Damn,
This
that
looks
looks good. This
delicious,
looks like
yo.
overcooked pizza.
Bottom is light.
One bite of the pizza, one bite of the crust, and then give you a rating.
Wow.
This puts home to shame. This puts home to shame. The meat is real. It's salty. It's flavorful. I like this whole package is working for me.
Oh, first the flavor. Cook it a little bit more. It's pretty light, but honestly, like that's like super anal. I don't know if I can say that one. Beautiful pizza. Way better than home.
Yeah.
If you get a cheese pizza at home, this is way better.
There's so much cheese on his pizza that I can't see the sauce. That is like an inch of cheese,
I
dude.
know, man.
I'm gonna
They
shit my pants.
really did it.
Oh!
That's what I'm saying.
No, that's fire. What?
Is it first thing I'm like? Oh, amazing. The pepperoni is way better than home.
Yours has so much flavor though. Overall, Domino's for what we spent is pretty good. 7.5 to 8. In terms of American food that we've had here, this is the second best pizza. We had pizza when we first got here and it was like homemade margarita pizza. That shit was fire, but small.
Mm-hmm.
So that was good. But yeah, this is the second best American food that we've had here. I'm M. Fuji.
This is great man, Okuma.
We'll catch you next time.
Hey,
Subscribe.
hey, you know, subscribe.
Please.